In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon account password. Keeping your Amazon password up to date is really important for protecting your personal information, your payment details, and your order history. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps on the desktop website, and I'll also add some helpful tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect on each screen. First, make sure you're already signed in to your Amazon account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a section labeled Accounts and Lists. Don't click it just yet. Instead, move your mouse over it and hover for a moment. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this drop-down, click on the option labeled Account. This will take you to your main account page, where Amazon shows different tiles or sections related to your account settings and preferences. On this account page, look for the tile called Login and Security. This is the section where you manage things like your name, email address, and of course your password. Go ahead and click on Login and Security. At this point, Amazon may ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. Often, they'll send a verification code to the email address associated with your account. If this happens, just open your email in a new tab or on your phone, find the message from Amazon, and copy the code they sent you. Then return to the Amazon page and type or paste that code into the field provided and continue. Once you're in the Login and Security section, look for the row labeled Password. On the right side of that row, you'll see an Edit button. Click on Edit, and the page will reload or switch to a password update view. Now you'll see three fields. In the first field, type your current Amazon password exactly as you use it to sign in. In the second field, enter your new password. Try to choose something strong, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. In the third field, re-enter that same new password to confirm there are no typos. After you've filled in all three fields and double-check that the new passwords match, click Save Changes. Once you do that, your Amazon password is successfully updated. From now on, you'll use this new password whenever you sign into your account.